Hi, I'm Dan Minahan, Trailer Service Specialist with Landoll Trailers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test the hydraulic functions between your truck and your Landoll trailer. We will be utilizing Landoll Hydraulic Test Assembly part number 210365. This kit is available for purchase through any authorized Landoll dealership. Warning: the hydraulic system operates in extremely high pressure. Failure to follow safety procedures can result in serious injury or death. This video pertains to all Landoll trailers, excluding the 800 series. If you have an 800 series, please contact the Landoll Service Department for more information on testing your trailer. Before you begin, verify that your truck has a hydraulic pressure relief system. If it does not, do not operate the tester with that truck. To start, with the vehicle brakes secured and the PTO off, connect the tester in line on the pressure side between the truck and the trailer, with the ball valve closest to the trailer and in the open position. Make sure your return hose is connected as well. Rotate all coupler lock rings to safely secure them into place. Now, engage the PTO and bring the engine to the desired operating speed. Allow the oil to circulate until it is warmed to around 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You can now read the lower gauge to see the volume of oil flow that the hydraulic pump is delivering. This gauge will also show you the temperature of the hydraulic fluid in the system. Current NGL trailers should be set to a maximum of 20 gallons per minute at 2600 psi, and older units set to a maximum of 14 gallons per minute at 2500 psi. Any GPM reading less than that is acceptable and will only lower the speed of the hydraulic operation. If you have any questions about the GPM requirements of your trailer, please contact the Landoll Service Department. Next, we will check the pressure that the PTO pump is producing. Slowly turn the ball valve to the closed position. If the gauge exceeds 3000 psi while closing the valve, immediately but slowly open it back up and adjust your pump relief valve to a lower setting. Once closed, observe the gauge reading, then slowly turn the valve back to the open position. If needed, adjust your PTO pump relief valve until the pressure is at 2600 psi, and then repeat this process to confirm your pump relief pressure. Finally, we will be checking the pressure relief on the trailer. These checks can be done utilizing the remote control, so you're able to stand near the gauge to observe the readings. With the PTO on and engine at desired RPM, deadhead your tilt function to the downward position and check the pressure and flow rate. You should see 2500 psi with a minimal flow. Then, deadhead your axle slide to the rearward position and read the pressure gauge again. The reading should be 2500 psi with minimal flow while holding the function. If the gauge does not read 2500 psi, you can adjust the relief valve on the side of the spool valve to achieve the 2500 psi reading. Keep in mind, the pressure relief valve is not immediate. It takes about 3 seconds for the pressure relief valve to fully open and bypass oil. Please allow a few seconds for the reading to stabilize. Once you are satisfied with these readings, simply turn your PTO off and disconnect the gauge. You can now reconnect the truck pressure line directly to the trailer and test the hydraulic functions of your trailer to confirm proper operation. If you are unable to reach the 2500 psi setting and observe a large amount of flow, you may have a cylinder bypassing internally. We will discuss how to test for a bypassing cylinder in the next video. If you have any questions, please contact the Landoll Service Department at 800-446-5175 or 888-522-3634.